Welcome to MT-VIKI. Rack KVM consoles are widely used in server rooms and data center to manage large quantity of servers of computers. Integrated by keyboard, monitor, touchpad and tray rail drawer, MT-VIKI provide 15.6 inches, 17 inches and 19 inches. LCD KVM switches like 1708UL, 1716UL, 17308HL and 17316HL and extend to CAT and IP access LCD KVM series based on the 1708UL. We also provide single KVM switches without LCD for 8-port and 16-port like 801UKL, 160UKCH, 801HKC and 1601HKC, 9108MS, 9108UP, etc. In order to save cost on additional LCD KVM, MT-VIKI launched daisy chain module with a 17 inches and 19 inches series to manage more than 8 PCs. Owning two of these items with 1708UL, you may manage up to 24 computers. Only cost around $1,100 totally. Different from other brands, all our KVM series include cables with various lengths and cables are free for replacement at any time for any defectiveness. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us on Amazon or Facebook page. Thank you for watching.